Yo! That's gay!
It is flat.
Clutch flywheel for today.
That's some good traction on there.
Yeah, we're gonna get started. I was getting extra shots. I'm paid enough to be doing all that. I decided we're gonna have the slave do all the work. Oh my goodness.
Yo! That's gay!
Just started. It's 2:01.
We got the exhaust out. Unfortunately, most of this crap is like hard to film because it's under the car. Welds are probably the reason that I have an exhaust leak somewhere in the car. This is these are butt. These welds, yeah. Good going. Jeez.
Anyways, heat shield,
Drive shaft.
drive shaft.
He loosened up the Guibo bolts, 3 of them connected to the transmission, not the one on the drive shaft, this one right here in the middle of the screen, but this one right here. There's 6 E12s, right? Connected to the diff. Yeah, two 13s.
Like, look how big
Huge heat shield. I have to step back to see it all. Like, there's a huge heat shield. The drive shaft is out.
To be honest with you, I'm just delaying the inevitable. Don't stop it. I'm just delaying. I'm delaying the inevitable, which is getting down to the trans. I just want to chill by the heater real quick and just
Little propane heater. Listen to the emo music.
Yeah, I was like, that's why I went.
What?
It's not a phase, Mom. You have to use such a. Try show him how long the extension is. Look at how long that is. Wow. All right. Slowly but surely. Oh, here, I'll. 735.
Progress update. We got all the bolts off of the transmission, and now we have to drop the transmission without a transmission jack. Fedya says he knows what he's doing. I doubt him severely. I'm hoping he doesn't drop my transmission on the floor.
Nothing has been touched on this car in
His entire existence.
who knows how long.
Entire existence, 100%.
So, let's get straight to the point. I'm going to drop the jack, and I'm going to try to slide it off, and I'm going to try to... This is what I did on my E30. Like, genuinely, like... Can you check if it's in gear real quick? Actually, wait.
Bro, there's no
I'm
gears.
so stupid.
The shift linkage is disconnected.
Edit that out.
I'm keeping that one in there. But I think I'm still in park gear, bro.
Literally right there.
Yeah, I'll just hold this wire up here. Yeah, I'm ready to pull it out.
Here we go. Okay.
I
got it. Look. Record this.
It's recording.
Oh, hello. Okay. Oh, it's on my. Look at this.
Transmission just on this guy's balls. That's
Told ya.
that's one
I
way to
told you,
take
man.
out a transmission.
I told you.
Transmission crushes balls.
We got it out, folks.
We got it out. Okay. Next thing you'll see will probably be the status of the clutch and. It is flat. Like you can. I don't think it's supposed to make that kind of sound, either.
Bro, it sounds like paper. It sounds like paper. Like
it's paper thin.
right. No, like the sound. I
know.
I don't know how to explain it
Yeah.
either, but it's not supposed to sound like that. Let's look at this new clutch though.
New clutch. Texture.
Hold on.
It's no surprise that the clutch ended up like this.
Yeah, but it's so crazy.
It's insane how much wear and tear this thing has endured, and only now has it started to like really show any signs, and it still only really slips on like a lot of acceleration.
God is with us today, and God's always with us. But if this goes out to the public, Jesus Christ is Lord, and He has helped us do this job. I ain't gonna swear to nobody, but I'm just saying, this wouldn't have gone so smoothly. If this becomes a video, I don't think anybody's watching at this point. They'll probably click off because their attention span.
No, I'll edit it to be real good. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Really
We'll
flash.
make some
I'll do
juicy-
some
we'll make
really
some juicy
flashy edits.
Look at my rev limiter. Hold on. Look at my rev limiter. Hold on.
Didn't do it.
Oh, you're good. I have no idea how fast we're going right now either. Chilling back, just chill driving.
Yeah. Basically, explain to everyone what we're doing actually.
We're gonna drain the transmission fluid, and obviously we need to somehow fit a drain under here. But for now, I just want to at least get it loose. So what I'm gonna do is I need to lift it up again.
Put out some more blocks.
No, just.
Heard what?
Oh, rare kitty.
Rare kitty sighting. Good morning, little kitty.
Shop kitty. This is the shop kitty. You're gonna have to pick it up.
Yeah.
I need a rag. Okay, and it might overfill.
Talk about ghetto setup.
Obviously, there's a better method to it. I just don't care because we need to get this done.
Some sealant on that 90 there, just to make sure, no more rear main seal leaks. Obviously, these freaking cars are known for their rear main seal leaks and all their gasket leaks. I'm gonna go for a light mob in the E30 real quick. Plus 10 points. It doesn't go.
It's just too grippy,
the
bro.
Contis and the open diff.
It's just too grippy, bro.
Yes, sir. Got the flywheel going in.
Oh my god.
He flew in there. You cannot see nothing.
Let me see this. It's big.
That's a whole bird in there.
Bro. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Look, I saw a foot.
See his little feet.
Dude, that's crazy.
Just showing off the pressure plate.
Yeah, because it looks nice.
Sexy.
Yeah,
It's red.
yeah, it actually looks really cool.
We're back at it. Pressure plate's in. Pretty simple. Just gonna tighten the bolts around it. Problem is, bolts around it don't have new ones, and the old ones are stripping. So we're putting tape around the end of our 6mm and hammering it in so they don't strip. Once again, we're looking at a guy who's going to be having a transmission on his chest. Yeah. It's in? Okay, then you're laying on it, under it with no pressure on it.
The transmission back in. And just putting everything back together for now. It is 8:21.
Shout out Fedya for doing like hella work for free. I'm not paying you jack.
No, he paid me with a Twix bar.
With a Twix bar.
I'm happy. I know we didn't get to do the detent springs. It just didn't have time to buy them, and with our situation, we just need to get the clutch done as soon as possible. So, guys, check this out. I'm gonna move the shifter without my hands. Whatever. Enough of this funny business. Works.
Do it again.
Alright.
No flames.
No flames? Yeah, I was like...
Yeah. It's a black. I'm hella tired. I bet you Fedya's hella tired. It is not even that
9:19.
Not even that bad.
Yeah, we're
two inexperienced idiots.
battery's about to go off, but yeah,
Battery?
all we gotta do, yeah, battery's about to go off, right?
Why? Oh, on the camera. Oh, well.
Camera.
Okay.
Right.
Bye-bye. We'll see you
So-
soon. Alright. We on the ground.
Wow.
We're gonna go for a quick... We're under the stove.
Test drive this bad boy.
Let's see how it feels. Come on. Get in there.
You're good.
It goes back so fast.
Yeah, I saw that. Careful. Careful. Oh, dude, he's gonna... Dang.
So, I've driven some stage clutches before, but man, this one is tough. And this is only a stage 1.
Take it easy now.
Yeah, I'm not revving it past what it says. I'm just like, damn, how's the downshift? Like, what feels nice is like the biting point is right at the bottom. It's freaking people on the road.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop,
So,
whoop, whoop, whoop,
trying
whoop.
out this clutch, baby.
He's never driven this car before, mind you. Yeah, turn on your lights all the way. Maybe.
Get out of my way. Never driven your car before. Ah, wait.
It's not going to third.
It's because of the D10, bro.
I know. I guess we're going to be recording it like this. Thank you all very much for watching the video. I really do personally appreciate it. This looks hella dark. Seriously, I do appreciate you guys for actually watching the video, making it to the end. Took quite a bit of effort. A little bit of a new thing. Done similar things, but overall it's a new thing that I'm doing. Hoping that, you know, I'm gonna keep doing these videos. Don't know how often, don't know how much time I'm gonna have. Hopefully I'm gonna have some more time, some more free time to be able to do things like this. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. If I don't see y'all before Christmas, have a Merry Christmas. Thank you.